Hi friends, today for science we are going to be learning about shadows. Your objectives for today are we will watch a video to learn about shadows, and I will discuss how shadows are made with a friend or family member. You are going to watch this video. There's an arrow pointing right to it. Hit the play button and watch the whole video. It's only about 2 minutes long. When you're done watching the video about shadows, we are going to answer the question, how are shadows made? You're going to discuss with a teacher, parent, family member, or friend, whoever is available to you, and you're going to talk with them about how are shadows made. And then if you have some time at home, I want you to practice making a shadow. So you can use stand outside if the sun is shining, or use a flashlight or some type of light at home and practice making your own shadows. Here's a picture of some kids standing outside on the sidewalk with a shadow of themselves in front of them. And I want you to think, why do they have a shadow? What is outside that is causing them to have a shadow? And then you're going to click here to complete a Google form. So when you click on the word here, a link pops up and it will take you to your Google form that looks like this. It says shadows. Use what you know about shadows to complete the form. Type your first and last name below. Select the picture that shows a shadow. You have two options. The first one's a little boy. The second one is a girl standing outside. And then what do you think is causing the shadow in the picture above? Do you think the shadow is caused by the sun or a flashlight? And then just submit when you are done.